Good evening, Kealeboga.
Good evening, sir.
Are you ready for the question?
Yes, sir.
What do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
Botswana diamond to me refers to a natural resource that is extracted from the underground of Botswana, and it is currently the one sustaining the economy of Botswana. That is why we are proud of the diamond we carry, because it sustains our economy. Thank you.